This backing is TT60. TT60 is made of black polyester fleece and has a low coefficient of friction of 0.3. TT60 is bonded to the timing belt with a strong industrial adhesive using a butt joint. It is not machinable and cannot be ground to in-between thicknesses. TT60 has a standard thickness of 2 mm and a recommended minimum pulley diameter of 120 mm. It is resistant against simple oils, fats, and electrostatic properties. It is recommended for use in the glass industry and as conveyor belts in hot areas or with high contact temperatures. It has a temperature range of -10 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius or 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Exposure to high temperature is recommended only for short periods because the base belt and bonding agent have a lower temperature limit. BRECOflex offers dozens of backings for a multitude of conveying applications. If you need assistance finding the best backing for your application, you can download our catalog at www.BRECOflex.com or contact us for free engineering support at 732-460-9500. Thanks for watching.